This is WD-40, and most people think this is only for like indoor uses like doors or small electronic items. But if you own a motorcycle or a car, this can save money, frustration, and time. So this is used from like loose nut bolts to protecting your electrical connections and electrical items and your day-to-day movable parts in your vehicle. So like first I will explain what is WD-40. So WD stands for water displacement 40th formula, and it was originally developed to prevent corrosion and remove moisture from metal surfaces. So while this does provide lubrication, but the real strengths are like water displacement, rust prevention, and penetration into stuck parts, or kind of greasing and protecting metal surfaces of your vehicle. So this can be used mainly for loosen nuts, and I'll tell you around 12 to 13 uses for this. So first you can use it for loose nuts in your vehicles, and you can spray it in your battery terminals, which just clean the battery terminal coats, spray it, wipe the excess, and reinstall the terminals, and it will help you to prevent the corrosion formation. And next it will remove the moisture from electrical components. So whenever you have noticed, like if your car or motorcycle struggles after riding through rain, this could be because of water going into electrical components or some wires. So spraying this will display the water from your electrical components or electrical switches, and this will like uh, prevent rusting inside and getting the particles water stuck inside. So this will prevent the function switches from malfunctioning. And next you can use it for freeing the stuck cable. If ever you feel your cable or anywhere is stuck or it has become tight, you can spray this, and the wire or cable will become loose. And you can use for cleaning the oil residue and greases in your chain, foot pegs, or your near anything like movable parts. Wherever the grease is old, you can use this to clean it. So basically it will penetrate and remove the old greases. You can also remove the sometimes the tar from the roads or road dirts which get stuck in your mud guards. So I have been using this personally from like 3 to 4 years, and it does really good job. And suppose if you are using a car, you can lubricate your door hinges, latches, or yeah, in your motorcycle foot pegs or fuel tank caps. You can also remove your vehicle stickers residues, like whatever stickers after that if you are removing those stickers and something is left out, you can remove your stickers residue using this. And this will also protect your tools, like whatever tools you are using in your garage. It will protect from getting rusted, and keep it in functional way properly. And you can also use it for cleaning chrome parts, as my bike and the car has more chrome parts. I regularly use this to clean them, and it does fantastic job and gives a shiny surface. And whenever you feel your petrol cap is like tightened, you can, or it is feeling stuck, you can use this for losing it. And last and the most important one is like you can prevent rust during storage. So metal brackets, foot peg, toolkits, exposed metal surfaces, everywhere you can spray this, and this will definitely protect from rusting uh, till long time. Like if you don't use this, it will get rusted sooner. So all the bike owners, car owners, you can use this one for prevention of rust basically. And one common myth is there regarding this, like people are using this as chain lube. This can clean the chain, but it cannot be used as a substitute. You can clean this using this and use a chain lube or use a motor oil for greasing your bike's chain. And don't spray it on disc brakes, or because it will the pads and the rotor contact is required for disc brake functioning properly, so don't spray there. And don't overspray in the electronics, it might damage the components. So moderate usage is fine, but don't overuse this. And this is a very cheap and good product, because it costed me around 260 rupees for 170 gram. So this is cheaper, like if you consider it in a way of maintaining your vehicles, so this will be definitely useful and worth. So do comment and let me know for what purpose you were using this, and did this help this video help you in any way. And do subscribe and like my channel. So thank you for stopping and watching this video. Till then, we'll continue. Thank you.